Hello South Africa. Budget speech, 25% rebate for households that install solar panels. South African Finance Minister Enoch Godongwana has announced 2 tax measures to encourage businesses and individuals to invest in renewable energy and increase electricity generation. During his national budget speech on Wednesday, February 22, Godongwana said green technologies are becoming cheaper, and the deployment of low-carbon solutions is accelerating, therefore recognizing the need for government to play a role in encouraging adaptation and mitigation. I am pleased to announce 2 tax measures to encourage businesses and individuals to invest in renewable energy and increase electricity generation. Individuals who install rooftop solar panels from March 1, 2023 will be able to claim a rebate of 25% of the cost of the panels, up to a maximum of 15,000 rand. This can be used to reduce their tax liability in the 2023/24 tax year. This incentive will be available for 1 year. Finance Minister said that there will be no thresholds on the size of the projects that qualify, and the incentive will be available for 2 years to stimulate investment in the short term. As announced by the President, we will also introduce a new tax incentive for individuals to install rooftop solar panels to reduce pressure on the grid and help ease load shedding. National Treasury will launch the Energy Bounce Back Scheme in April 2023. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.